Thanks. Firstly, I want to thank you for accepting my invitation and accepting to be on my show.
My pleasure. You are doing a good thing, so I must support it. That is, I have gone through your YouTube videos and found that you're really doing a great thing because many of people will get benefited from your this endeavor, and I'm really happy to be part of it.
So I thought to introduce you to my audience. So can you please introduce yourself to my audience?
Okay.
Yeah, can you please introduce yourself to my audience? Sir, I can't hear you. Sir, I can't hear you. No.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Sorry. So I started my journey in IT 22 years back, and I was one of the lucky few who got the placement right after the college. And I happened to join a company which just started few months. In today's term, it was a startup, but that time there was no such term as a startup, so it was self-funded company. And there were around 20 people working for that company, and I was given opportunity to work on different technology, C++, Visual Basic, then Visual C++, and you can imagine that I was working with the people from the IIT Kharagpur. He's my still my friend. He's working in the same company. He has not changed his job. It was his first job. He is still working in that company. And he's best friend of mine. And you see that there has been lot of changes right after there, because we are working when in the that company we were using the floppy to transfer the files, and at that time the server storage was not in the GB also. And forget about the RAM. We, the best I have to do that. Okay, so that was all the thing like from right from the floppy to the zip drive to the now the it was the DOS from Windows. So the window machine were rare and it was DOS basically. So when you are going to Windows, you have to type Win, then you will go to the window. And I was introduced to the mouse in my second or third year, I think, in my engineering. And so that was kind of environment. That time, mouse was having only one left click only. There was no right click. Even though button was there, but people were saying that it is for the future enhancement. So now you see the how much thing has changed, and really it is a blessing that I have seen all those things. And like the CD drive, all these things are become now antique now, right? The if you are the fortunate, otherwise you will see in the maybe the museum only. And zip drive, I remember I experienced that zip drive got burned when we were taking the data from one place to another in the zip drive, because that the hardest the biggest size was around 60 or 70 MB of the zip drive, because zip drive became before the CD drive, because that time there was no bigger medium to transfer file here to there except the hard disk. So hard disk is not portable, so people were using the zip drive. It was new and costly. So what happened that somehow that we were sitting on the bike, so the touch in the silencer of the bike, so it was half burned. But see that I think that part of time company might have sponsored that, because still we were able to recover data from that zip drive. So that was the that kind of the fire taste of that zip drive. So right after that, around 1998 or 1999, Java. So all of a sudden, I thought that okay, it's the new thing because I'm really admire the new thing because new thing is basically the solving the problem of the old thing. Most of the time, the new thing comes like that only. I adorn Java, and in 1999 I have not looked back. I am in the Java guy thoroughly, but I appreciate all the technology because in my this 2 decades of journey of in the IT, I have worked on most of the technology. Like I have done some project on of migration from .NET, some project from the and all, but I have seen that Java, that affiliate there's some button written there, AWT and all. So it was all Java journey. Now you see that you can put the entire your laptop. Even my phone is having the more processing power than my laptop nowadays. So that is the kind of change everyone is seeing. And now we do not like 10 years back give them data. I have this much server, that much server. Now do not have. You do not know where your data is. So it is a cloud. So you can, I think probably you can manage your entire data center from your mobile. If you have your data center on the cloud, any of the cloud, because they have all the app, you just need an app to manage your data center. So that is how the thing has become, like it is really zipped. So it was zip drive, so now it is zip kind of infrastructure. Every infrastructure is zipped and it is in your pocket now. So that is all about the technology and journey I have seen through. And in my entire career, I have done precisely 2 kind of project. Either it was the improving the current or the legacy application, or it was innovation. Innovation means what? It is just out of the track. For example, that they were using some kind of big application. Now they have the smart application. So that is the innovation I have seen, and that's why I summarize all the work I have done so far in the improvement and innovation space only. And cloud has to do a lot of about this because I give more credit to crowd now because you do not have to worry about the infrastructure. If you have the idea, you can launch. For example, that people have a small idea that how a small application can be used to get the information from multiple sources. So that is the data aggregation. So you do not have to collect the data also. Data is already there. You do not have to worry about the infrastructure also. You just need an idea. And things are there to help you. Like you have your channel, right? You do not have to invest in the channel, right? You can start and you can share your idea, your thought right away. You just need a phone, maybe. And now the phone is not a phone, it is everything. Like you do not need modem, you do not need Wi-Fi, everything. You just need a SIM card with internet connectivity. And nowadays, every SIM card comes with the internet connectivity. That is the awesome. And data is also free. So I think it is revolution kind of thing. And I must say that because when your site is down and people are just uh, thinking that where you are gone kind of, because now that you have the virtual appearance only. So that what disaster recovery, then you have the cloud, everything is in cloud, and we fix it. Fix it means we fix the IT problem. Maybe the new problem you want to have a new solution. For example, you have done certification, but you are not getting job because certification do not give you job. It just give you that you can appear in the interview. That too, if they are shortlisting based on the certification. Otherwise, no. So after that, you need some hands-on and you need some support because, for example, now is the era of startup. So there are only few people in the faking the thing, because once you get the real hands-on experience, then only you will be able to work. You cannot, by just getting the certification is not that you understood the thing. You have work on the things. So that is the kind of journey of Dr. Cloud, and we look forward to help more and more people, because we are helping the people by the people. We are democratic kind of thing. We do not have any kind of control over the okay how you are going to do and who is going to do. Everybody is helping everyone, and it is a platform. So, for example, that if the professional have some time and they want to contribute and give back to the society and earn money also, they can register, and uh, they can help people like because somewhere they started, and other people also want to start from support each other. So Dr. Claude fix it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, I got you, sir. I have few questions about about the experience that you have, the huge experience. It's not. I don't have that much knowledge to talk about it. Uh, so before that, sir, your video is not very clear. It is your voice sometimes it is breaking. Maybe because of internet issue. But sir, now it's good, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Go ahead.
Yeah. So you are you are from the generation where the data used to transfer through wire, right? Floppies. So now you are seeing the cloud, which it's completely, you don't need to today you don't need to put any effort, physical effort. You just concentrate on your own business, not worry about the devices, physical devices. Right, like you said, only your mobile phone is enough for you to manage your entire data. So there are people who are the cloud providers are taking care of all the background issues that your business needs. So what do you say about this drastic development? So what do you say about this?
Yes, because the thing is, take an example that if you are getting something at doorstep, so somebody is working towards this, and it is not about a single people. Entire system is behind that.
Yeah, go on, sir.
Yeah, and people, it is a kind of abstraction you see that you just order a pizza kind of thing. So the way you order a compute on the cloud, you see that it is given to you within 5 minutes. Your VM gets running, and you can do whatever you want. So that is the magic. Otherwise, I remember when I was working in an organization that was a very big organization, basically, and we had new team ramp up to work on the project. And what happened that we were not having the sitting space, and somehow we got the sitting space, but we were not having the workstation, or we were not having the server and all. And you see that we waited for months to get the server allocation and the kind of infrastructure we needed for the development and the deployment. And a lot of money was spent on the people. We were organization was giving the salary to the people, but we are not having the infrastructure in place to get the work from them. And you see that the in terms of the money, like they were paying around 1 lakh per month to the person, but they were not buying a laptop of 20,000 to work on. So, and forget about the server. So now that problem is solved now. So people can work on their own device. Like nowadays, if you had some people, you can allow them to work on their own laptop, and they will work on their on your infrastructure in the cloud. So your data is also safe, and you are not losing a single minute of the productive hours. So that is the benefit. That is the change I have I am seeing now, and I have seen also, and that is quite good for the organization because you are getting value for money.
So what is the major thing that you are observing? The the reduction of human effort and time saving, human is saving time. And what are the main advantages that because of the present technology?
Yes, advantages are many, and you see that the main advantage I see that you just need idea to start. You do not need huge amount of money to spend on the infrastructure. You do not need to hire the people also. You can get the people along just by, for example, you see that we just had a chat 2 days back and we are working together, right?
Yeah,
So this is the magic.
yeah.
You do not need to hire the people full time. You can hire them based on maybe that sharing or maybe the hourly basis. So basically you just need idea. So now if you think about the 10 years back, the scene has totally changed. So you need the kind of passion and the idea to make it true or make it a reality, and all around the world will help you. Kind of, there is a popular dialogue in the one of the Shahrukh Khan movie, if you love someone, all the world will help you to make your love kind of real, right?
Yeah.
To get your, so that is the thing. So once you like something, go about it, put your effort, and things are there, and people are there to help you. So you do not have to wait for the like right resources, right people, right time. Every time is a right time to.
So you started your own, you decided to share the knowledge that you have earned on this in this 22 years.
Yes, that is my objective because I am working full time. So this is just that giving back to the society because I know that there are a lot of people who need this kind of help, and I have seen people going here and there spending a lot of money, and I see a lot of inquiry coming, and it is going the like people are like thinking that okay, still the things are working old way. Like people come after the college, okay, do you provide some certificate? I need, I as a fresher I want to have a job. So I do not misguide them. I say that okay, certificate, we are not selling certificate kind of thing. I do not have to buy any certificate. You are already graduate, so you do not need, because many people are selling it and it is of no use. You need to learn the technology, because that is what the in the Three Idiot movie also, काबिल बनो, कामयाबी तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी, kind of dialogue. You be the worth, you deserve it, then you only get the certification. Otherwise it's of no use, because certificate is not going to help you. You will be cheated for that. And do not pay anything to get your first job, because you need to earn it. There are a lot of opportunity, and people are looking for talented people like you.
So what you are telling through your medium, you are teaching them from the beginning, what was there in the beginning and now till now, which means how the data transmission and the security, how it was there before, and how the management was done, and how the manpower used to be, for the data management, all this you're telling through all these things are through your channel, I mean through your medium.
Actually, we have separate project for that. For example, product for that. For example, if somebody need only the data security or application security or network security or cloud security, so we have kind of tailor-made package for them. And for example, if they want to have something related to the new idea, they want to do some new product development or something, so we have separate product for them. In that we provide something like we will have the discussion, we will understand their idea, whether their idea is kind of already somebody is already doing, for example, kind of here. So we will guide them properly, what is their market they are targeting. So all the product life cycle support also we will provide, and we will provide them all the like hand holding. For example, they do not know how to create the product document, detailed document, what they, because people do not know the PRD actually, product requirement document, because they start something like that. So that service also we provides, and it's kind of, you know, that uh, uh, giving back to society, because you know that everyone has a different kind of requirement, and somebody wants to their existing problem, development problem. For example, they are stuck in some use cases, they are not able to like get it because they have a new team. They are, because everybody cannot afford 20 years old professional like me, because it's a huge you know, expenditure. That's why somebody, for example, after college pass out, only they start some, you see that many people have started their startup during the college only. So at that time they do not have access to the experienced people. So that kind of support Dr. Cloud Fixit provides. And we have kind of budget starting with the $10 USD per hour. So that is the minimum we are charging, and that is we are charging just to help the other people also. It is like kind of that we are helping people, and from the earning we are helping the other people also.
So what is the what exactly the service that you're providing through Dr. Fixit?
Like from Dr. Cloud Fixit, my our first service is that if you are having no job right after the college and you are interested in cloud, so how you are going to do that? So that is a mentoring service. So after, in mentoring service we will provide, okay, what kind of interest you have. For example, somebody want to do development, somebody want to do the system administration kind of job, somebody wants to do something kind of like app development kind of thing, somebody want to create their own app kind of thing. So that is the mentoring service. So in that we provide all the mentoring you need to build a successful career in the cloud space. Cloud is the like endless opportunity. So whatever you want to do, not everybody is like going to do everything. So you choose your path, what you want to do. So that is the mentoring service. So once you have taken that service, you will be given the mentoring throughout your journey to get the right job in the cloud. So that is starting. Then we have the product like that. You after the certification, like you have not taken any mentoring service, so you are coming after the certification, you have got the certification, but you are not getting any job. So what we will do that we will guide you that okay, you have done the certification, but we will assess you that what kind of knowledge you have. So in that we will do assessment after the certification. validate you are fit or you have just purchased the certification from like without just by the money only. Then once we find that okay, you have the knowledge, then what we will do, we will align you with the expert that times you have hands on. What is all your help that person to get a job in the cloud space, whatever the certification or the knowledge they have. So that is the service. Then we have other service. For example, somebody has a certification also, they are having the job also, but they have some free time after the job. You know that because of that remote working, everybody has 3 4 hours of extra time because that time is coming from the no commuting. No, people are not traveling, not going to office. So that time they can use to earn money and helping others. So what we have done, we have a platform where, for example, people are looking for some professional on hourly basis. So what we will do, we will assign those tickets to the professional. They will work on that ticket, they will solve the problem, and they will get paid as per their working hours, how much they have spent on the working on that ticket. Then we have service for the business also, that if they have requirement of the people like certified cloud professional, okay, we will align those tickets to the people we have already, we call them the expert. And the same way we have like services for the new solution. Then we have services for the POC. They want to do some POC kind of, they want to do some cloud migration, they want to do some maybe data migration only, they want to do some like cloud evaluation. We should go to Google, AWS, Oracle, or the IBM cloud, or any other cloud, or Alibaba cloud kind of. So proper use case and all that. So we have numerous services for that, and apart from that, we have the tailor-made service. So we will, what we will do, that we will arrange a call, okay, and we will understand their requirement, and based on their requirement, we will chart out a plan, what kind of service they require. So we are not just you just buy my service. We will guide you what kind of service you need. So it is a kind of, that it's a friend, philosopher, guide kind of service.
So I'm a just now I have completed my computer science and engineering and graduation, and I came to Dr. Cloud Fix It. So I don't know where I fit in. Don't know whether I am good in engineering or in development, in app development, or I don't have idea. So how you are going to understand me, and how you are going to guide me? So I hope you got my question. I've done my engineering, and I don't know where I fit in, whether in engineering or whether in in programming, in app development. I don't know where I fit in. I don't know whether I am good in creating websites. I don't know. So how this cloud, Dr. Cloud Fix It helps me. So can you hear me? Can you hear me? So can you hear me? So can you hear me?
Yes. So first of all, I will ask you what is your kind of. Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I think there are some problem. Okay, it's a usual things. So basically, if you are a fresh graduate or you have not completed your graduation itself. So first my advice would be that whatever the things you are doing, you should complete that your graduation. For example, whatever the, because you see that people are doing some uh, uh, graduation in their subject that may not be the true picture of their interest.
Yeah.
And this is very usual in country like us, because people do not get admission, people were doing something and they could not get the like opportunity. So like just to get the graduation, they got the some, maybe that they wanted to do to go to IIT but they did not get the chance, so they took the art like Bachelor of Arts maybe. Correct?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
It
Yeah.
happens. So we will have a discussion with the person and to guide them what kind of career they suits them. Basically we will ask aptitude kind of that they like to do problem solving, because in cloud space there are roles defined based on the work they do, not the interest they have. For example, somebody wants to do some maybe that development kind of work, but everybody cannot do the development, because development requires different kind of aptitude, like logic, how to
Yeah.
build a logic. For example, if people are not like having the like passion to solve a problem step by step kind of logic development, algo development kind of, so they should not go to the development for the sake of just a job, because they have the other opportunity. Like in the cloud space they can go to the, they should understand what kind of work they want to do on cloud. So if they want to do some development, then the, for example, that if they are from the engineering background or the arts or commerce background, so that is not a requirement to go into the cloud. People have come from other background and they are very successful in the IT space. In my first job only, I have seen people from the commerce background and they are good. They are good at what they are doing. I have
Mhm.
seen people succeeding, but their aptitude will be different. For example, those people who came from the commerce background, they were good at kind of the project running, operation level, where the profit loss, PL and kind of things are there. Okay, because at the top of the now they are the ops manager kind of, they are director of operation kind of, because in operation you need to save a single penny also, right? And there the commerce background is really helping them, right? They were the kind of become kind of person. But the people who were very like methodical and very detail oriented, like one of my friend from the IIT Kharagpur, so he's still working on the Visual C++ because he's developing the tools like the Skype kind of application, where the video streaming is happening. Because you see that people like me working at the front, like high level, what they will do, they will take the like tools and aggregate them to solve a problem, right? Because the, but the people, we need the people who work at the, the lowest level of the programming. For example, talking to the operating system, right? Or kind of the people who will develop the Android operating system itself. There are many operating system coming to the IT space now. So he is kind of that people. So his aptitude is like going into the lowest level of the programming, right? Then comes that people who want to manage the computers. So those kind of people should go to the infra kind of things. There are people who want, they are good at finding the problems. So they should go into the testing kind of thing, right? So If the testing kind of people will go to the development, so they will not able to write the code because they are good at finding the problem, right? They are not making a solution. So this kind of people will be very successful, and there is no dearth of opportunity, because what happened that 10 years back or 20 years back, when we were in the like IT space, new IT space, you had hardly choice. But now the choice is yours to which career you have to choose, and you can get the job whatever you want. But you have to say, you have to prove that you do this thing very good, because if everyone is looking kind of that people, then comes the, you know, the I'm talking about the 20% kind of people, then comes the 80%, 80-20 rule, right? So 20% is people who basically rule the 80 people, right? 80%. Now come the 80%. So in 80% if you want to go, so whatever the job you want, you get it, and then you try, you go to the 20% again. For example, after the college graduate, okay, now the demand is in the data analytics. So what you do? You do a certification, do some project, and get a job first, because that is your first requirement, right? Because you need to earn, right, for a living. So whatever the job you get, you do it. Then you call for your passion, because everybody is not given a choice to go after his passion. We should, we cannot deny this situation, because we need a job after the college, right? Everybody cannot afford to, okay, no, I want to do PhD, then only I will do the job. So that kind of scenario is not suited for everyone. So you have to be job ready. So for job, being job ready, you have to identify, okay, after the physics graduate, what should I do? Okay, what I will do, that I am not into good into programming. So what I will do, I will do a certification of the cloud. I will run the very fast language I can learn. For example, the scripting language, maybe the Python kind of, and I will do a certification in administration, that is very easy to learn, because it doesn't require you to like learning new concept, algorithm, everything. You just need to do this. Okay, that's the configuration things are there in system admin. You just have to learn the configuration, because everything is done by the cloud. So you do that and get a job, and after that whatever you want you can do. First you have to stand somewhere, then only you can start running, no? So that is also my kind of advice to the people, because running after your passion sometimes break you also.
So you're also giving career counseling. So you're also telling what to do after their graduation.
After the graduation, I think I have covered some part of it. The next part is that after graduation, you should think about how you will be employable. How you will be employable? First thing first. Because if you are not employable, you are into the 80% of the crowd, where people take you just like the labor from the labor choke. Okay? Because unless you are skilled and employable, you are of no use. Because you see that in the government job in around the world, there is a struggle everywhere. There is getting government job is as difficult in India as in the US, also in any part of the world, because government jobs are limited, always limited. So what you have to do, that after the graduation you have, I think you should plan, I think in the final year or before that also, that how you are going to fare after the college if your campus recruitment does not happen to you, because every college or every student does not get the campus recruitment. That is the like truth, and that is the real thing. So after that, what you will do? So for example, if it is a commerce student, so they should compute learning computer is the first thing. That's why in the college also computer is there. So if they are commerce student, they should learn something related to accounting so that they will be employable. Because just being the become a student will not give you a job unless you want to sell some stuff door to door, because that job is always there, and the pizza delivery job is also there, and now the Swiggy delivery, their delivery jobs are always there. Unless you want to do that thing, you should not be prepared. Otherwise, if you want to have a kind of your kind of job, then you have to prepare for that. So if you are in the science, then you learn at least one language where you can write your program in the computer if you want to have the job in the IT. Because I just talk about the IT job only, so that's why that is my. Otherwise, there are different kind of job. Then if you are good at kind of literature kind of thing, you are writing good essay and something, you can write a write some blog, or you can get a job of copywriter also. You have good kind of writing skill, or you can become the technical writer in the product domain or any corporate. They are always looking for the technical writer, so you can do that also. And if you are into the like kind of art space where you have some skill of writing a story or narration, or you are good at the drawing kind of, so nowadays there are very good opportunity related to, that games, right? Games,
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
the, yeah, story writing. Then in the cartoon space, all the cartoons are animated nowadays, they are all computer generated, so you
Yeah.
have very good opportunity in that also. So if you can do the illustration kind of job also, so you have, like, you name it, everywhere jobs are always there. Just you need to be employable. You at least learn one thing so that you can earn your living. That should be the focus of every people who are graduating. How you are going to add value to the system. Just one skill. If you have one skill, you will get the job. You otherwise, you see in the any Naukri site, there are millions of job available. They are looking for the people, but there are people who are not getting job. So that is the irony of the situation, but it is true.
So, so what is the subject that on which you did the PhD?
PhD I have done on cloud computing, security on cloud computing, because you see that people were very skeptical when the cloud came for the first time. When I did my PhD, it was the uh, beginning of the cloud in 2012. Very few people were using the cloud,
Yeah.
and that too they were calling the cloud, and it was basically their own private data center. They were not using hard. And people like me, when I got registered for the first time in Dropbox, it was the cloud. Otherwise, people were not going to AWS, because people didn't know that Dropbox itself is using AWS services to provide you the Dropbox. But people were not going AWS because they thought that they have to pay a lot, right?
Yeah.
For example, people like who do not have money are afraid to enter the five-star hotel, right?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
they think that, like in the shown in the movie, either they will be not allowed to enter in the hotel,
Correct.
or if they enter the hotel, they will be like not uh, be given a tea also for less than 500 kind of, right?
Yeah.
Still,
Correct.
people think the cloud like that only.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why you see that cloud is giving you the free tire where you can use the, but still people think that no, if I give them credit card, they will
Yeah.
charge anything, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So there people are afraid. So that's why by Dr. Claude Fixit is basically that to uh, help you to get rid of that fear, that if you are using your cloud with your credit card or debit card, they will not charge you anything unless you allow them to. For example, you have the free tier. So whatever the things you are using, you have to be very disciplined. For example, you go to the party, you waste the food. So what, it cost you nothing. That's why you are wasting the food, right?
Yeah.
But if they start charging you for wasting the food, will you waste the food? No. So
No.
that way the cloud is. So what happens that for day one, like me, I am using cloud for last around 10 years now, but I have not been charged a single dollar because I always use the free tier. So what I do whenever I use, first I think, okay, it is available in the free tier. Okay, it is available in free tier. Then, okay, I can use this much. So what I do when I wrap any compute system or anything, I just terminate the instance within my, like whatever the POC or whatever the testing I'm doing. Right after that, I terminate that, because wasting of any resource will cost you. For example, the public IP. Public IP is given to free. But if you are not using that public IP, you are charged. So you have to make sure that if you are asking for any public IP, because public IP are very limited. So if you are not using it, just release that. Otherwise, a private provider will charge you.
Yeah.
So that is the discipline you require if you are not getting to be charged. So that is the discipline you have to maintain.
So yeah, you did your PhD when when the cloud was there in the beginning days. Now now you are seeing so many clouds. Google, Microsoft, every the Alibaba, all these companies have their own cloud, but still AWS is in the top, and it is providing more than 170 plus services. Is that possible for one student to understand all the services?
Basically, what happens that you see there are something which is called that how you keep your customer to yourself, right?
Yeah,
Every business will would like to do that. That
yeah,
so that they keep their customer loyal, right?
yeah,
So that is called that. That's why every cloud service like AWS also they have services which is available to the AWS only, right?
yeah,
You cannot find it in other, and
yeah,
basically it's a kind of branding.
yeah,
But the thing is that if you want that your service should be available or your app should work in any of the cloud, so you have to plan from the beginning, and we have that services like our Dr. Cloud Fixit is basically agnostic to cloud. We are not biased to any cloud, because what we are, our philosophy is that people has a right to choose, right? Like
yeah,
their food.
yeah.
So they should be allowed to choose their cloud also. But for that, what you have to do, you have to plan your journey of the cloud such a way that you are not going to dependent on any cloud provider, and we call it cloud agnostic.
Okay,
For example, take the service of the NoSQL database. Okay,
okay,
so you have a choice, either you use the DynamoDB service of the AWS, or you can run your own Cassandra system. No,
yeah,
who stops you, right?
yeah, yeah,
The only thing is that if you use the DynamoDB, then you do not have to do the configuration, setup, and backup, replication, cluster management, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that is called the PaaS, basically platform as a service. So
Correct.
what they have done Simply that they have taken the Cassandra open source and they have created all the wrapper over it so that you get the more. For example, that you go to the garden of apple and pluck apple yourself, then you have to climb the tree, then you have to pluck the apple, then you will eat, right?
Yeah.
But somebody has given you the apple at your doorstep.
Yeah.
So if you prefer that apple at your doorstep, you buy their service. Otherwise, you have the choice. You can run your own Cassandra DB
Correct. Correct.
so that you will not be dependent on the door provider specific services.
Okay.
Want apple in your plate or you want to pluck apple from the garden, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Apple is there, right? Apple is
Yeah.
there. Apple there is no fees for any
Yeah.
cloud provider except the Microsoft, who has their own like SQL Server, their product, right?
Yeah.
They have
Yeah.
more. Otherwise, other cloud provider have the open source product only, no, but
Yeah.
they're providing you the service. So
Yeah.
nowadays it is really trend, and people are very aware that they can use the Kubernetes kind of where they do not need other like API gateway, other things also,
Yeah.
which is basically the selling point of any cloud provider, and they can run the Kubernetes because people have adapted. People are loving Kubernetes so much that every cloud provider has a vanilla Kubernetes service. Means you can take your on-premise Kubernetes to the cloud because
Yeah.
they knew that if they do not give this, people will not come to the cloud.
Yeah.
That's why every cloud provider has this vanilla. So you do not have to buy their service. You can create or your own Kubernetes cluster,
Correct.
and that is the kind of, and on top of it, what you can do, you can use Terraform kind of things, which is basically that provide you the like uh, infrastructure as a code for any cloud provider. You can translate and you can run your infra. You are not
Yeah.
dependent on any cloud provider.
Yeah.
Yes. So you have a choice.
So, is this useful for professionals and the beginners and the intermediate level people? Your service that you're providing?
Yes, my services are basically for all kind of, like for the like people who have not started their job, or they are in the job, or they want to start their own startup, or the people who are working in an organization, they need on job support because you see that you join a job and you are
Yeah.
not able to do it. In my
Yeah.
career, I have seen that a person cracked the interview, got the job, and once he was assigned a work in a small company, were assigned the work very next day,
Correct.
but he was not able to do that after all the support. So what he did, he told me one day, Vijay, I'm leaving no, don't tell anybody, from tomorrow I'm not coming to office. He vanished, he disappeared from the next day, you see.
Okay.
So I am going to help this kind of people that you do not leave your job. We will provide you on job support. Okay.
Okay.
So that you
Okay.
can perform your day-to-day job.
Okay.
So our services are for that kind of people also.
Okay. Who are doing already job but unable to
Otherwise, you see
do
that
the job.
people do a lot of things to get the job, but people leave the job also because, yeah. So that is, once you get the job, you should be able to do, right?
Yeah. So only for Indians, for the people from anywhere on this planet.
Yes, my app is available in around the world, in around 152 country now,
Okay.
and we are open to all the people, all walk of life. So it is not only for the Indian. Any person can avail our services. It is in
So
cloud,
what is
so
the
geography and location is irrelevant now. So they can avail our services.
so what is the timings? Is there any particular timing that you provide the service? Is there any particular time that you provide the service?
Basically, we have given a choice that, like I said, if they want, they can just send the meeting advance, and we are not restricted to any the collaboration platform because it is their choice. We are really democratic kind of organization, so they can
Okay.
choose their time, their kind of collaboration tool, and we are going to help them. So there is no restrict. We are flexible for time, location, media. They want to communicate on WhatsApp. We are available on WhatsApp. They want to communicate on mail. We are on available on mail. So it's a. We are very flexible.
Yeah, I'm on your website now. Yeah, I'm watching your website. It's a multi-cloud support platform for all who love cloud. So you're the CEO of it, of this.
Basically, I am the consulting consultant. CEO is other person, and I am the kind of consulting CTO for this.
Okay. So I can see products, expert, partner, learn, contact, refund. So that the export.
Yeah, expert is basically that you can join us as an expert right
Okay.
after you have done some certification in the cloud space in any technology. Maybe
Yeah.
that you have learned the Python only. We do
Hmm.
not have any problem because
Okay.
cloud is basically not only to the infra, it is about the application. Because somebody wants help in Python, you can provide, right?
Yeah.
So that is the export. So I have basically we have planned that way. And once you register, what will happen? Whenever a person need help on your preferred technology, the ticket will be routed to you. So
Okay.
everything is automated.
Okay. So
And
it
once that,
means,
yeah.
yeah, it means for the people who are already into work and want to do part-time work with you, they can register it. Is there any fee that they have to pay for this, or
Actually,
it's
we
free?
wanted to make it free. The only thing we are charging $5 because we need some commitment. Otherwise, what will happen? That you are registered, but you are not helping people, right? And
Okay.
people are ticket is routed to you, and you are not addressing that. So
Okay.
that's just to get the commitment of $5. That is our we started with $10. Now we have reduced to $5, and near future we are going to refund them once they work for at least 2 or 3 months with us, because we do not want any money, but we
Okay.
need just commitment.
Okay. When you
Yeah,
started this?
we started last year July.
Okay.
Yes.
So is it important for every person to have a certification in order to do this?
Basically, see that person who is registering, there is no requirement that they should be certified only. But the thing is that that gives you a age when you are interacting with the customer.
Okay.
Otherwise, we have not any restriction in the app also or in the website. Basically, registration is through the app only, and we do not have any restriction. But we prefer, because what happens that, for example, do you like to be treated by a doctor who is not certified in the cloud space, MBBS kind of.
Sir, I can't hear you. The voice was stopped when you said you are not
Am I
treated.
audible?
You are not treated.
Okay. So now am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so the thing is that certification is not a requirement to work as an expert. The only thing is that uh, for example, would you like to be treated by a doctor who is not MBBS kind of, who has not done any doctor
Yeah.
kind of? So that is a, for example, somebody say I am expert in Python,
Okay.
okay, but people, we cannot route ticket just because he is claiming, right? We need
Yeah.
something, otherwise what will happen? Our credibility will go like in a
Down.
negative, no? Yeah,
Correct.
otherwise people,
Correct.
you routed that ticket to that person, but he was not able to help me, right?
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So we need some kind of credibility.
So how many customers you have?
So far we have
So I can't hear you.
20
So I can't hear you.
20 plus customer
20 plus customers.
in the, including the Gulf, Australia, USA, and Bangladesh also.
Okay. Okay. So okay, this expert option is for the people, for the
And recently we
professionals.
are talking the in UK, Gulf, Kuwait, and in Bangladesh, US, and Australia, and number are increasing. Basically, we are in talk with the customer in UK also, and hopefully uh, we are going to be kind of expanding in other country, because app is available in 152 country as of now, and the thing is that we have not made it public to everyone, because we need some kind of, as I said, the credibility for the export also.
Okay.
Yes. Otherwise, you see that internet is full of help, right?
Yeah,
But
correct.
our is kind of that. If you ask some question on the Facebook group or the LinkedIn, but
Hmm.
the thing is that you do not have time to go through all the like solution they provide, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
maybe that one of them, so one of the solution is working, but you do not have time. So that's why that Dr. Cloud Fixity means what? You are having the convenient and the right solution instead of
Okay.
searching for the web.
Okay. You
Nobody has
give
to search.
exactly, you give
Yeah.
answers for the exact question that they ask.
Yes, otherwise you can try Google. You will see that how the misguiding, misleading kind of solution you have, right?
Correct.
Somebody try to bully you also. I have seen a
Correct.
comment like, "Why don't you Google? You are asking such questions to me, right?"
Yeah.
So basically, everybody has no time, right?
Correct.
Sometimes, sometime what happens that help, free help is costly than the paid help, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So that is the Dr. Claude Fixity basically just came out of this, because I am a member of around 100 plus group, just to have a experience that what kind of people are looking for the help and what kind of people are providing the help, right?
Yeah.
Then I
Yeah.
found that okay, there must be some place where people should come with the confidence that they will get the information, right information by the right people.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
otherwise,
you mentioned that the experts in experts option the professional should register, and if they get registered, so they will get a ticket, and they will be assigned a work for the time period that they set, right? So what kind of work that they are going to do?
for example, I will give you. It is in given. It is given on the website also. So what happens that, for example, you are expert, right? You have registered. So what happens that you are shown our app also,
Yeah.
and for the confidentiality and the privacy purpose, we are not showing name of the expert.
Okay, okay.
Because many people are working, right?
Correct, correct.
So what will happen? They will lose the job, right? Just to get a few dollars, they will lose the job, right?
Yeah, correct.
So, so we are not showing their name, and we are not showing all the export also.
Okay.
Okay, and so what happens that once anybody, for example, export can also raise the ticket. For example, you are good at Python, but you
Yeah,
need help in the Kubernetes, right?
yeah, yeah.
So you can be a provider and the customer also, both, right?
Okay.
You can be,
Okay,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can be.
yeah, yeah.
So you will raise a ticket. So what will happen? The ticket is raised through the, we have a section called work. So you will create a work. So every piece of work is requires a document. You have to give it in the writing because
Okay,
that is the requirement. Otherwise,
okay.
discussion on phone is difficult, right?
Correct,
So
correct.
you will give a written requirement, and once that you give that, it is a very simple. You just upload a document and gives a description because everything is in the document. So you just need a one-liner. You need help
Yeah,
in Python, help in Kubernetes, help in AWS, help in Alibaba kind of, right?
yeah,
And then you upload it. So one ticket will be created. So
yeah,
that ticket will be in the open stage. Okay.
yeah.
So our and they are free to take any of the ticket to work on.
Okay,
And there are other way that we assign because there are different way of working. Other people
okay,
say, okay, you can assign me this kind of ticket automatically.
okay.
But you see that people are very, those are people are professional, they will not get this kind of arrangement, no, because they want
Yeah,
to work on their free time only, right?
yeah, yeah.
So we have given them their freedom that they can take the ticket they want to work on. Okay.
Okay, okay,
And once they pick up the ticket state becomes the in progress.
okay,
So what they will do, they have access to the information, the people who have raised the ticket. They will
okay,
arrange a call. Okay. They will
okay.
understand the okay, whatever the things are given in the document, because sometimes documentation is also not proper, right?
Yeah,
They will understand, they will go to the call, and they will, okay, because see that cloud environment is very costly. Nobody want to share their credential with you. It is
correct,
not recommended also. So what
correct.
they will basically provide you a step by step to do the thing. So what happens, it is a kind of that train the trainer kind of thing also. So you will learn
Yeah,
also by doing the things. So
yeah,
next
yeah.
time you are not going to call the person for the same job. So you are
Correct,
saving,
correct.
right? You are
Yeah,
learning because
yeah,
every, you see that there are videos available on the internet. You learn the thing.
yeah,
But this kind of arrangement is not there when
yeah,
people are solving your problem and you are learning also.
yeah. They're giving you
Right?
knowledge.
Yes.
Yeah,
You can
awesome.
record that video also, no? So next
Yeah,
time you
yeah.
can do yourself, right?
Correct, correct. Yeah.
So it is a kind of different, totally different. Yes.
So, there will be people who will be working on AWS. So, what if they get assigned, a Microsoft Azure problem?
No, no, they will not assign. There is no such thing. Otherwise, see, auto assignment is based on the skill,
Okay,
and they have option to choose. If they are working professional, they have option to choose the ticket. So this
okay,
mismatch will never happen.
okay, okay. That is what I'm asking.
Yeah.
So, it's flexible.
Yeah, flexible means what? If the person who is in the AWS and he takes the Microsoft ticket by mistake, maybe,
Okay,
so by mistake or for the trial purpose, so if they are doing so, our cloud fixed team is monitoring basically.
okay,
We are monitoring that every ticket. So what happens? It is app based. So for
okay,
example, I can see that how many tickets are in progress.
okay,
So the moment a person who is from the Microsoft background and taking the AWS ticket, so there will be a lot to be.
okay.
Okay, this person is skill mismatch has taken the wrong problem. So within
Yeah,
1 hour, if I don't see any progress on that, or 2 hours,
okay. Yeah,
so basically I have access to that person. I can simply say that okay, if you are not doing anything, you have just by taken the my mistake, just simply release that ticket. Somebody else
yeah,
will take because not two person can work on the same ticket so same time, no? So he
Yeah.
will simply release the ticket and some other person will take.
So who are your customers?
See, we have customer like the person who has just recently graduated. Okay.
Okay.
And he was asking that whether I can provide some certificate to him or not. But by
Okay.
money, yeah?
Okay.
He is trying to buy some certificate. Okay. So I told
Okay.
them no. So I just guided them. Okay, these are the I asked him to send the CV kind of. Okay. Then I go through. There are a lot of spelling mistake, word mistake. He has written circular in the place of curriculum. Circular activities he has written. It should
Okay.
be
Okay.
curriculum activities. So there are people who do not know how to write the CV also, right? Because they are fresher.
Yeah.
So we have customer like that also. Then we
Okay.
have person who has kind of that working in the startup and they want to do some on-premise migration to the cloud. So
Okay.
that kind of people we have. Then we have people who want to do some kind of they want to start some business.
Okay.
For example, they want to run their WordPress site in the AWS because they can easily do the 300, 400 per month WordPress site hosting. But the
Yeah.
thing is that once you have the content and it
Yeah.
is copyrighted, you will
Yeah.
need your privacy, right?
Correct. Correct.
Otherwise, once you forgot to renew the hosting, you will not get your data.
Correct. Yeah.
Yes. So we have customer like that also. So all
Okay.
sort of
So
customer.
from the
And
student level to the business.
entrepreneur to the business, the professional, yes.
Okay. So can all the experts that you have can solve all the problems that they get?
See, as of now, we have on panel on the website. We have shown just 12 of them, but in fact we have 300 plus expert in our network. Okay,
Okay.
so basically it's a kind of that routing is based on the preference, as I said, because if they do not want to auto routing of that work, they will pick the work themselves.
Hmm.
And we have expert from all the right from the like that pen test to like to the Python to maybe the Office 365, all sort of people we have.
Okay. So okay. So you have a lot of professionals.
Yes, and from the all cloud also we have the people from the Alibaba. Like me, I all myself I have worked on the Alibaba also, Google also, AWS also, IBM
Okay.
also. So, and we have experts from all cloud and they are certified.
Okay. So they work when they have time.
Yes. Basically, what happens that these kind of things are there, like for example, if some immediate things are there required.
Okay.
For
Okay.
example, that in the production system you have some problem, then
Yeah.
you will not wait for professional to help you at their flexible time, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So for that we have the kind of firefighting team also.
Yeah.
So they are on the call, basically.
Okay.
Yeah, they are
So
on the call.
which means a student can get a benefit from your service and a business holder, a
Yeah, for
person,
example,
a
that
entrepreneur.
you have the students are there, they can get the mentoring and the new job support, on job support and all. But once they are having some experience and working, and
Okay.
by the time they are not having any job, they can work as an expert also, no?
In your own company, in this
Yes,
company only, where they have
yes,
learned.
yeah, and it is written our on our website, and we will provide them experience certificate also, working with
Okay.
us. Yeah,
Okay. You provide them so certificate.
yeah, experience certificate because they are working with us, no?
Yeah.
They are solving
Okay.
problems.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
as good as working, no? So
Yeah.
they will get experience certificate. Yes,
Your company is registered.
yes, it is registered. We have our parent company Surya Improved Private Limited, and that is registered, and it is in a bail repute company, and we have a GST and all things are in place, and we are
Okay.
legal entity. Yes.
Okay. So at last, uh, you tell about your the services that you provide through your website and app to my audience and to the world who watches this video from anywhere on this planet. And tell the pricing also. You didn't mention the pricing. For which service, how much price will be there? About the services that you provide and tell the pricing thing for the customers at the same time to the experts.
Yes, so we have services right from the getting the jobs to supporting on job, and for the startup, and we have the new product solution and the new idea launch solution also, and we have services to get hire the certified professional cloud, because many people are looking for the manpower also, so we can connect them the right people, because you see that we do already the screening when they join as an expert, so we can provide the other people also to get the certified cloud professional, as well as people who are expert, they also get the opportunity for the new job also. So that, and apart from that, we have the services for the cloud related cloud migration, maybe that on premise to cloud, cloud to cloud. We have done migration from, now people are, you see that Google Cloud are emerging as a big cloud provider. So now people are migrating from, so we provide, and we are in the call and we find that what kind of solution, and based on that we provide a solution. So we are basically uh, supporting the people to realize their dream into cloud. So, and that's why that is our tagline, that we support the people who love the cloud, and whatever they are doing, we support in all the way. Somebody is working on the PHP, do not have any problem. It is all about the cloud.
There are different prices for different things. So you're giving 3 months, 3 months up to 10 hours per day. 10 hours.
Yes, yeah. Basically, what happens that, for example, every services has a that limitation of time. For
Yeah.
example, that what I understand that, for example, take the example of mentoring service, right?
Okay.
So in mentoring service, what we understand that that person requires that much of time in mentoring,
Okay.
and we are like uh, hopeful, because it's a, that sometimes people get a lot of time to get a job, first job,
Yeah.
and some people are lucky to get the job very soon.
Yeah.
So that happens. So, but we have given the time just to make sure that we both are committed.
Okay.
Commitment is really thing which is required in any of kind of work, right?
Correct. Correct.
So, for example, if we do not take the $5 for the from the expert, they will not feel committed, right?
Yeah. Correct. Correct.
Because they will think, okay, it is just like the Stack Overflow, whether I reply or not doesn't make any difference, right?
Yeah.
At the end of the maybe day, I will get a bronze medal or something like that, nothing like that. But here, people are paid real money, right? So that's why they need some commitment.
Correct.
like the like the people who are searching for job, they need to have some commitment. They should know that they are giving $50 or $100, then that is not enough. They have to put time also to learn the thing, to validate their skills. Otherwise, it is not that only we are running, they should also run, right?
Okay.
Then only we will reach some place. That is kind of
Mhm.
commitment. That's why the time is given.
Okay. Okay. So which is this is completely related to the cloud, the services.
That's why
So
for all the services there is a time bound.
okay, okay, I got you, sir. So I'll put your website link and the app link in the description of this video. People who finds this video will check your services.
Thank you.
So
Thank you,
so
Sai.
yeah.
Yeah.
So at last, have you seen any videos of mine on YouTube?
Yes, I have seen your video with the US Air Force retired colonel. And that is really great thing because you see that videos are so real thing, that that everything after 100 years also when we are not there maybe on
Yeah,
earth, people will be
yeah,
seeing, right?
yeah,
So that is the beauty of cloud. The like or the social media. If you put anything, you will not be able to remove it
yeah,
completely.
yeah. And it's free.
It's free.
Yeah,
So you do not need money to make money. You just need idea.
you need idea. Awesome. So thank you, sir. You're a very experienced person to be on my show, and you're the first person who is a doctor and who is a cloud solution architect professional, and who is providing different services to different people, who not only to the students, to the professionals, and to the business owners. So this definitely helps a lot of cloud, the people who connected with the cloud. So it's a great idea, and I want you to reach more people. And
Yes, that is what my thing is that because I want that people should succeed from my input. I have person who started with career as a fresher with me, and they are working as a vice president or a CTO of other company.
wow,
So one has a different capability.
yeah,
So that is how I want to help people. I want to see them grow. That is my dream.
wow.
So that is the giving back to the society. Yes.
So at last, I want small some advices for the people who are preparing for solution architect associate level position. So what do you say? Do they need to have they have to uh, work in order to understand how to manage the services, or they have to read it through the blogs or websites, or they have to see the videos, or they have to how to learn?
Yes. Basically, learning like solutioning on cloud is basically rather art than the science because you have multiple services doing the same thing. So you need to understand the philosophy that how you can get more out of less. Then only it is a kind of true benefit of cloud. Otherwise, if you use something which is not beneficial, is not good for the business or not good for you also. So that is the solution how you will do it. There is nothing related to you do not have you do not know how many customer will come, how much data will come, and you are putting lot of hard infrastructure behind that. It is simply waste of money, right?
Yeah,
So we start with a small, and that is the beauty of cloud, and go for millions of billions of users. So
yeah.
that way, that should be the start of the cloud uses. Simply do not provision anything which you are not going to need it.
Okay.
That is I think the best part of cloud. You use as much as you want.
Do companies recruit uh, professionals with certificate or without certificate?
Actually, you see that hardly there are hardly company who ask for the certified professional.
Okay.
Mostly they look for the working knowledge.
Working knowledge. Okay.
Working knowledge, and they say that preferred. Sometimes they put the prefer, but that is
Preferred.
also the catch. Catch means
Okay.
what? If the people are certified, and but if they are not able to, because in the interview they will not ask you question like in
Yeah.
certification. They will if the problem they will ask cross question how you are going to handle this. For example, somebody has money of $10 only per month. How you will provide solution? So you have
Okay.
to think about that line, no? Because when you are
Yeah.
solutioning, for example, you are given $100 to spend. How you are going to spend it?
Yeah.
So that's why that only certification does not help. The real experience is required, and
Okay,
real
sir.
experience come from the hands-on and going through the blogs, the problem of other. You do not have that much time to learn from all from your own mistake only, right? You
Yeah.
should learn from other mistake, what they
Yeah.
did wrong, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is a proper solution architecture job, that you learn from your friend's mistake also, your colleague mistake also. Your own mistake is less because you have, like for example, I have spent only 2 decades, but
Yeah.
I have worked with hundreds, thousands of people. So I must
Yeah.
learn from their mistake also.
Correct.
Yes,
So that's awesome, sir. You are not only taking from the world, you are giving to the world.
yes,
That
that is my focus.
it's a give and take.
Yeah,
So it's a great discussion with
yeah.
a doctor. So thank you very much, sir, for your valuable time and
Thank you, Sai.
keep.
Wishing you all the best. You are doing a really nice thing, and I wish you all the success. Thank you. Okay. It
I
was great.
will.
Yes.
I will. Maybe I will join as an expert one day in your
Most
site.
welcome. You're most welcome. We
Yeah.
need people like you.
So
Okay.
I don't have much knowledge about cloud, but when I become, when I work in a company, definitely in my free time, I will try to give my service. I will give
Yes.
my time for
Looking
for for
forward to
the
it.
for the great people like you. It will be honored. It is a blessing for me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You are most welcome. Thank you.
Can I put this a video and audio clip on my YouTube channel, on social media, on internet, on podcast everywhere with your permission?
Yes, you can. Thank you.